What's up, bros? Welcome back. If you can't tell, we are in downtown San Francisco, going to the city today. Yep, that's correct. 19 bucks to fill up the tank. Used to be about 11. $6.57 for 9/10 of a gallon. Pretty sure that's the cash rate. No, that's the regular rate. So we're gonna get going. You guys want to go over to Lombard Street? Take the twisties of Lombard. I could do it, but you can only go, I'm pretty sure you can only go down it. And it's made of brick. So, you know, not ideal. I'll check it out though. The day is young, it's gorgeous. We came to the city for this reason. Check out some of the attractions. Keep an eye on the homeless public drug use situation here. Gonna have to use my hill assist. For those of you who don't know, BMW's got a hill assist feature, and you just hold the brake, you tap the brake twice, and it'll put it on. People don't give a dang here up in San Francisco. There we go. And this is why, for the record, I don't live in San Francisco. Oh, excuse me, this is gonna be tight. Bust a wheelie up Market Street. We're going up hills, bros. Might see some trolley cars, you know. I killed the bike out of hill assist mode. Told you it's different. I wonder if I could do a wheelie here. No, that's skill right there. That's right, boys. Hey, there's a trolley car. No high five for the bro. Whoa, girl. Alright, well, we have jetted across town. Up hills, down hills, around hills. Well, here we go, boys. We're about to pull up to Lombard Street. Check this out, see what's going on. Sunset right about now, so yeah. Oh my goodness, look at all these cars. Do I have to wait in this? Hello. No, I do not. But I'll wait right here. I wonder what the real estate value is on some of these homes right on Lombard Street. They They must not be cheap. And I definitely wouldn't like somebody rolling by my front yard all the time. So that's not cool. But somebody look it up. Tell me what these homes are worth on Lombard Street. And if you've never been here before and think that Lombard Street's kind of cool, give it a like or subscribe. The challenging part is it's steep, downhill, crooked, and it's made of brick. All these people want to creep across. Yeah, that's pretty steep. Nice view though. That's Coit Tower up there. Everybody just walking and driving right by your house. Hi. Hi. Yo, Lombard Street is a place to have. Oh, this is because these are all the like Europeans and stuff. They all come to check this out. Check this out. Look at all the flowers and trees growing out of the side of buildings. 1040 Lombard Street. Look it up, boys. Most valuable parking spot. See if I can do this without putting the feet down. Rear brake, boys. Rear brake. That's how you do that. Sorry, can't go any further. Somebody tell me how old this street is. I know it was big in Clint Eastwood movies back in the day. Many of you may remember. And to this day, this thing is non-stop cars all the time. And people. These people with their phones out. How am I going to blow one of these girls a kiss if I don't learn to use the rear brake? What y'all want to do? That's Lombard Street. What y'all want to do? You want to go over the Golden Gate? Huh? We could do that. We got battery, we got fuel.